好似吊高嚟賣又跳工，更不理限聚令，假日聚餐開 party， 感染病毒之後就惹埋僱主等等，早已經惹嚟一班僱主嘅不滿。不過另一方面，有外傭喺疫情下竟然慘無人道咁被趕出街，大家又有冇留意呢？
即係你都要諗一諗佢其實自己可能根本都冇地方去，咁只係將個問題掟咗出街，但係其實唔係解決咗個問題咯。
同舟共濟，睇下有咩方法可以大家都做得到。你又照顧到對方，但係不至於做得太難睇啊！
最近有一班外傭向我哋投訴，話當佢哋確診新冠之後，隨即受到僱主無理對待，包括突然被趕出門口，求助無門啊！
Mom, can you help me? Because I'm a positive victim and I don't know where to go. I don't know where to stay.
Because we are human. It's not our mistake to get that.
外傭 Doris 同埋 Jennifer 來港工作多年，同僱主一直都相安無事。但係當佢哋嘅僱主知道佢哋感染咗新冠之後，就立即變面，二話不說就趕走佢哋。
I don't know where to stay. I don't have any clothes to wear. Just only that day I wear. So I don't have money because he didn't give me anything.
So he kicked you out of the flat, right?
Yes, because I got positive.
Where did you sleep?
Of course, in the park.
How do you spend the night in the park?
Just sitting down.
I don't know. The fear, the scared is there already. I'm thinking where to go. How can I sleep? How can I sleep that time? It's very cold. It's raining. And then from Queens Mary to Central, I walk. I walk with my luggage, with my everything. I'm so helpless that time.
僱主驚佢哋將新冠病毒傳染俾屋企人，所以唔俾佢哋再留喺屋企。突然被逐出家門，臨急臨忙又揾唔到地方，於是被逼帶住家當流浪街頭。就算唔使俾僱主趕落街嘅，都未必好過。呢一位外傭 Sita 話：染疫後要瞓喺垃圾房啊！
They afraid for me. They told me to stay back door. It's the rubbish bin. Stairs for the rubbish bin. Dirty. It's not enough to sleep to stay.
不過好彩嘅係，有好心人知道有咁嘅情況之後，就幫忙揾地方安置佢哋，等佢哋唔使流浪街頭咁慘啊！
工人冇地方住嘅 domestic helpers， 有時我哋好忙，尤其是幫positive 嘅 cases， 因為佢哋唔可以出街，我哋要送嘢食俾佢哋。
人稱廟街神父嘅胡仲恒神父，過往一直都致力幫助流落街頭嘅無家者。2009年，神父得知廟街附近有唔少無家者同埋更新人士，為咗幫助佢哋，就搬咗入去廟街同佢哋一齊生活。2017年，佢更加同一班教友成立慈善團體，更加集中咁幫助呢一班弱勢社群。喺今次疫情之下，神父就為呢一啲流落街頭嘅外傭揾地方棲身。佢將確診外傭同埋康復外傭分隔到唔同單位，仲會向佢哋提供3餐、物資同埋經濟援助。
而家差唔多90個，80幾，差唔多90個。我哋唔知仲要幾多。但係我哋可以繼續。好多床、好多被單、床單，乜都要買。好多人支持我哋嘅錢冇問題，可以做嘅。
除咗出錢，神父同埋其他義工仲會出力親身照顧呢一班外傭，但係佢話一啲都唔怕辛苦啊。
應該嘅，幫冇地方住嘅人係幫佢自己。我哋嘅會獻主會特別關心窮人，應該嘅。幫呢啲人係應該嘅，同埋為善聚樂，好開心嘅經驗。
但神父今年已經70幾歲高齡，所以亦都靠熱心義工出嚟協助神父去照顧呢一群被遺忘嘅外傭。
full 㗎，我哋好 full 㗎，真係。因為其實我哋有啲走咗之後，咁跟住亦都有啲新嘅嚟咁樣咯。咁完咗隔離，跟住再翻嚟，咁所以其實我哋係不停每日係咁轉，即係換人啊，不停係咁有新人咁樣。僱主知道佢哋有中咗之後啦，咁即刻要佢哋離開嗰間屋。咁當然有啲係即時炒佢哋啦，有啲僱主都好嘅，咁話不如揾個地方隔離下，隔離咗之後好翻啦，再翻嚟咁樣。佢哋離鄉別井，都希望有其他人可以幫到手咁樣。咁我哋都盡力可以幫到佢哋咯。
即係唔忍心見佢哋流浪街頭。
係啦，即係佢哋真係冇地方住，佢哋尤其是已經係中咗招嗰啲人，冇人肯接收佢哋。咁佢哋可以點做咧？咁阿神父又唔想佢哋瞓喺街，即係佢哋神父想佢哋真係有一個有瓦遮頭嘅地方。
喺困境中，唔止揾到棲身之所，佢哋仲揾翻人間嘅溫暖。
My feeling is already okay. So
Feel a lot better.
yeah. Saying thank you is not enough. Because if Father John and everybody is not here, where to live? Where to get the food? Where to get the needs?
就住外傭呢啲遭遇，勞福局局長羅致光喺網誌表示，有關僱主可能會被起訴及負上刑責，日後亦不會獲准聘用外傭。
根據個僱傭條例先啦，咁佢哋係唔應該喺個勞工喺患病嘅時候去解僱佢嘅。咁第一樣嘢啦，咁亦都係一個歧視條例啦，你歧視佢有疾病啦，咁亦都係一個防疫599嘅條例啦。個確診者係需要逗留喺佢而家居留嘅地方，佢唔可以喺出邊周圍走，係啦，而確保到嗰個疫情咧唔會喺公共交通工具啊或者社交嘅場所啊等等，包括酒店啊、賓館呢類型嘅去擴散。
希望咁樣對待外傭嘅僱主只係極少一群，出現呢一啲事，不論僱主同埋僱主代表都覺得唔應該，但亦都好無奈。
其實你如果講佢走咧，其實你一確診咗就應該唔好周圍去啦，係咪先？你要講佢走，佢可能都要搭車或者搭其他交通工具，都有機會真係可能感染到其他人㗎喎。即係你對呢一個市區都唔係咁好咯。
唔應該落井下石嘅，即係我哋都係人，設身處地。姐姐即係佢受感染，其實佢都唔想嘅，冇人想嘅，亦都唔知道個源頭。我哋都應該有一個即係憐憫嘅心。佢受感染嘅時候，我係應該幫佢康復，因為呢個都係僱主嘅其中嘅責任。僱主咧都要即刻盡快即係俾一個房間俾個工人去做隔離。聽過有啲咧就話屋企地方細啊，冇地方俾佢隔離。反而個僱主係做廳長，或者甚至乎我真係去其他地方度讓翻個空間，俾個姐姐去做隔離。如果政府可以容許受感染嘅外傭去嗰啲方艙醫院做一個隔離，真係隔離，咁都方便到好多嘅僱主就話我冇房間嗰啲或者地方少嘅地方，可唔可以真係有一個特定嘅隔離地方俾佢隔離咧？呢個都係僱主希望嘅咯。
雖然冇特定嘅隔離設施專門照顧外傭，但係佢哋都可以同普通有需要嘅市民一樣，被安排入住隔離設施嘅。最近呢一位拍片鬧爆僱主而爆紅嘅姐姐又再出 post， 話拍片原意係想幫一啲職場上不為人知嘅故事發聲，希望廣大僱主能夠善待外傭，當外傭係自己屋企人咁相處。的確，人與人嘅關係最基本都係互相尊重同埋包容，尤其是喺呢啲艱難嘅時刻，一齊共度難關啦。